Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Simba, number D02211327, kelas informatika. Item counter automatically using sensor infrared based on Arduino Uno. Published year August 2020. Research method. The method used to design this item counter uses the system development life cycle SDLC approach, which is identical to the waterfall system development technique, which has several steps including requirements, several stages including requirement analysis, system design, implementation, integration, and testing, operation and maintenance, seen in the following image. Sampling technique that is by Arduino Uno. Writes the color on the item to be counted. Infrared. The number 2 infrared sensor measure and knows the distance of the glass. Number 3 LCD displays a set of numbers, letters or symbols that will be displayed on the screen so that it can be seen on the crystal screen. Number 4 breadboard or project board. Design a simple electronic circuit. Number 5 jumper cable connected hardware device with breadboard. Population and sample. Number 1 Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy of use, easy to use, but hardware and software. In other words, Arduino, a basic system consisting of hardware and software that prerequisite and user convenience. Number 2 proximity sensor. Proximity sensor is a component to detect the presence of an object and its approximate distance. The characteristics of the sensor is to the detected object a fairly close distance, ranging from 1 millimeter to a few centimeters, according to the type of sensor used. Number 3 sensor. A sensor is a component that can be used to convert a certain quantity into an analog unit so that it can be read by an electronic circuit. Sensors are usually used to make an approach at the time of measurement or control. Number 5 Number 4 infrared sensor. Sensor are electromagnetic rays or wave that have a lower frequency, or in the other word a larger wavelength that rate. Number 5. Prototype. Prototype is a process that helps developers create a software model. This method is used when the client cannot provide maximum information about the needs he wants. Ideally, prototype surface surface as a mechanism to identify software requirement. Result. This tool are designed to detect the weight of the good, which the automatic counter will work according to the volume of the weight of the goods. The design of the goods content system can be seen in the tool design drawing. Tool design. The design of this tool will discuss the design of hardware dalam bahasa Indonesia perangkat keras, and software dalam bahasa Indonesia perangkat lunak. Tool design is very important because it will produce a good system, well as produce this synchronization between hardware and software. The design of this tool require supporting tools and material used. Design hardware. Number Arduino Uno is used to read the color of the item to be counted. Next, infrared sensor surface to measure and determine the thickness of glass. Next, LCD surface to display a size of numbers, letters, or symbols that will display it on the screen so that it can be on the crystal screen. Next, breadboard or project board surface today a simple electronic circuit. Jumper cable surface to connect hardware device to be breadboard. Design software flowchart design. The initial process from the flowchart image above is to check incoming goods. Use an infrared sensor according to the color label in the goods. If the item are detected, the infrared will send information on the goods. If the item is detected, the infrared will send information on the number of item to the Arduino. After the Arduino receives the information, the decision can be made normally yes or no. That is if the goods match, then the system will count the number of goods and can issue goods. Otherwise, if the goods do not match, the system will not issue goods. Program design. The picture above is an exam display to run the MySQL database program, which displays the calculation results from the sensor. The picture above is a login menu display to enter the item counting application. The picture above is the main menu display that contains information on item that have been calculated on the infrared sensor. Other the areas that support the discovery. Another theory they support the results. This results uses several literation refers they have in the indirectional the correlation regarding the item counter, which will be explained below. Number 1, Freddy Susanto et al. In 2017 conducted a research entitled Internet of Things in Room Security System, a study of Raja College server room. Number 2, Alam Shah et al. In 2017 conducted a research entitled Prototype controlling hydraulic system in Arduino based warehouse. Number 3, Hendry et al. In 2020 conducted a research entitled ESP8266 based automatic gallon water monitoring and glass filter. Conclusion: based on the result of the design and testing of the number item carried out, the following conclusion can be obtained. Number 1, the design of a tool with an Arduino based infrared sensor using a conveyor belt to show it a automatic system and LCD screen that can be applied as a system for reading incoming goods or outgoing goods so that the amount can be calculated properly on the system. Number 2, the Arduino microcontroller as the brain of the system can be programmed to distinguish the infrared sensor input after setting the value according to the range on the sensor output. Infrared and Arduino sensor can be assembled into a counter for objects that pass in front of them, so that infrared can be applied to count the number of items using the program counter. Sekian, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.